Welcome back. It is 2 days to Halloween. I wanted to challenge myself and see how many outfits I could come up with stuff that I already have. Minimal DIY, mostly just clothes that already exist in my cupboard. My hair is wet because it's important to the first two outfits. All of these are a bit obscure and will not be stuff that you have at home, but most of them I feel like will be doable. I have a lot to get through, so I think that we should just get started. So our first one is Duke Silver from Parks and Recreation, aka Ron Swanson. This one is one of the more niche, obscure ones that I was talking about that you might not have. The things. Can you stop scratching my couch, please? Because you might not have the key ingredient of this outfit. Let me show you. Here's the outfit. Literally just all black. I would wear black boots with it. I'm not putting shoes on. It's way too much work. He's got like a comb over. Oh my god, that's hideous. Okay, this is a problem. I need some hair for the mustache. My plan was fashion a mustache. I could draw it on. I don't really want to do that. I want it to kind of sit up a bit. I'm just gonna put half of most of it up in like a bun like that. It's not like sitting up. Okay, well, I don't have hairspray or hair gel. And then the mustache situation. I was like, here's option one. The other option would be to draw it on. I really don't want to do that. I fear that this is one that you would have to obtain a fake mustache. It's like a key part of the look. This is not turning out the way that I thought it would. I don't have my sunglasses. Oh my god, this is... wow. Wow. My sunglasses are in the car in the basement and I'm not going downstairs dressed like this. So here are our sunglasses.
Bitch, I can't see.
I just need you to walk with me on this. Okay, the final part of this outfit is, of course, a saxophone. I can't see. Hello? This is the most high budget, low budget Halloween costume you've ever seen in your life. Of course I can't see it, but I bet it looks really great. I don't even think this is the right kind of saxophone. I think he plays a tenor. Yeah, he plays a tenor. We're off to a really good start. It only gets better from here. I kind of need my hair wet for this next outfit as well. So before it dries fully, I'm gonna put the outfit on and then we'll deal with the hair. It's very important for this next one. Okay, I changed my shirt so that I could kind of pull this into more of a V. I can't see the rest of the outfit. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I've got the picture down here. That's why I keep looking down. I do not have like a purpley sort of blazer, so we're just making do. This is really hurting my head. Okay, so we've got a strand from the left coming over into the right. I think I grabbed too much. Why do I kind of look like him, actually? What do we think? Yeah, kind of ate with that. Since I've got the blazer out, I actually, if believe it or not, I have two more outfits that need the blazer. I changed my shirt. I only have this reference. I need to do the hair. Okay, I just wet the front pieces of my hair. I'm returning to my high school days, getting that left part back. I'm gonna put the rest in a bun.
2 hours later.
I think I might have to admit defeat with this one. I feel like I'm giving like evil headmistress at a boarding school in England. Yeah, not a fan of that one. That one was not eating quite as much as the first two, if I could say that the first two were eating. But we have another blazer outfit. Let's keep going. Okay, now this outfit has options for customization, if you will. I do need to bring the side part back. Wow, this is so 2020 of me. Actually, we are time traveling back to 2016. Let me back up.
Wow.
This one's looking a little bit crazy. This one, like the other ones, were looking perfectly normal and fine. Black boots, can you see, with long socks. I would have used a different color, but this is the only one I have. Can you guess what I am? I am, of course, a 2016 BuzzFeed employee. Everybody got that, of course. I have a more casual version of this. Slightly more casual version. I just put denim shorts with it. Any denim shorts. The ones I've got on right now are really cute. I kind of would wear this outfit. I kind of like it. Okay, actually, well, you know what? It's actually kind of fun. I really like the blazer with the denim shorts look. The side part is giving me flashbacks. I hate trying clothes on. This is actually really fun.
Try being an influencer for a day.
It's getting kind of warm in here with the blazer situation and the trying clothes on. My most recent electricity bill is $353. So unfortunately, I love air conditioning. We're gonna go on to the next one. I'm gonna put the aircon on, and that is gonna be a problem for later Kaylin, having to pay that. Kaylin right now wants the aircon on. We have options for the next one as well. I actually accidentally stumbled upon this outfit when I wore this shirt with a necklace one time, and I was like, OMG. This is the only turtleneck kind of thing that I have. We're coming up with costumes on a budget, okay? I feel like if you wear any dark turtleneck with a silver necklace, it's gonna be giving The Rock. I have another shirt which I feel like the turtleneck is a key part of it, and this next shirt is not, but it is the correct color shirt. No, that's not working. And I don't know where this came from. It was in my jewelry box. Oh, he has like a little bag as well. I don't have anything like that. This whole video is me being like, oh wow, that looked better in my head. We're gonna go on to the next outfit. I'm down here so that you don't get spoiled on this one, because you need to see it in its full glory. This is my favorite hat in the world, and this just came undone. It came undone at the back too. I got it from the show, you can probably tell. I got this shirt from my sister. I don't know why she had it. I've never seen her wear it before. It's missing a button at the top, that's why it's kind of like weird. And then I put my Jest, the hat's too big. I put my Jest over it. My jean vest, of course, my Jest. You're probably wondering why. What do you mean you don't have a pair of black sunglasses or a black turtleneck or a black long sleeve shirt, but you have a Jest? And honestly, more shocking, the top, probably. I don't know. I'm just full of whimsy, I guess. My hat broke even more, by the way. It's the most poor quality thing I've ever seen in my life, but I love it. Next, we're gonna pivot from Barbie to Bratz. I kind of lied a little bit. The Bratz thing, I don't want to do the makeup required for that. I could definitely do like a crazy looking bun, but like I had this shirt, and so I was like, not really. I don't think the Bratz would wear something that says Bratz on it and then get all the pieces. That was the inspo, okay? Instead, this next one is a little bit different. Oh, I'm feeling nervous about this one. Okay. It is Sabrina Carpenter inspired, specifically because I have this shirt. I got this from Cider. I think the pants are from Ali. They are skorts. Feels a bit like activewear, that kind of material. I'll take the belt off so you can see it. It has all little rhinestone hearts along it, and I think it was from Cider as well, but I'm not sure who wore it better. Just kidding. Please don't compare, please. What am I gonna do next? I think we're gonna go to Mystic Falls next. I'm gonna have to put those annoying jeans back on. Okay, we're in Mystic Falls. This is the closest thing that I have to like the Vervain necklace. It's not really similar at all. But I got this shirt and I was like, that's so Elena Gilbert. And I have it in dark blue too. And I've got the flare jeans on. You can see them in my JJ's haul. While I've got the jeans on, we're gonna travel to Forks, Washington. For this one, we need the side part to come back. Okay, I am a Twilight fan, circa 2009.
You better hold on tight, Spider Monkey.
He sparkles, can you see that? I could tie it up to make it like cuter, but like this is 2009. Long shirts were it. I was 6 in 2009, so what would I know? Shirt and pants from JJ's. I realized like most of this, I did not tell you where everything's from. I just kind of assumed you didn't want to know. Maybe I should tell you so you can stay away. This particular one, like many of the others, has options. We can customize. I have 3 more shirts that could go with this. Option 2.
Right.
Carlisle, of course. But I have another one. This is my favorite one. He is my favorite Twilight character, the only normal person in all of Forks, Washington. I didn't read the books. Apparently he was not great in the books, but he was great in the movies. I have one more.
Where the hell have you been, Luca?
I'm not Team Jacob, by the way. Okay, so that's 4 options for Twilight fair. Okay, I think I've got like 3 or 4 more ideas. All with things from my closet. I hate that people could just hear me filming this silly little video when they walk past. I want to live on a house. No, I want to live in a house on a huge block of land where I can't see my neighbors. That's my dream. That's my dream. I don't want to live in the middle of nowhere because I like shopping and I like having access to modern medicine and hospitals. All of the Twilight ones are from JJ's. Guys, we unfortunately do have another fail. And you're probably thinking, Kaylin, all of these are fails. No, they're not. Don't be rude. This one is though. It's Kendall on the track. Except it's not. I'm missing some key ingredients to this one. Wow. Okay. All these green items and this army jacket that my sister gave me. And I was like, wow, Kendall is on the track. Kendall is far away from the track. She's nowhere near, in fact. My boots are kind of eating, though, unlike every other part of this outfit. Also, I've never worn this shirt before and it's too small. That was a fail. I don't have the hat. I'm missing key ingredients. That hasn't stopped us before. This time, they're important. The hat, the camo pants. The next one is so good. The unfortunate part about this one is that you need to like travel via the worm instead of walking, because otherwise you're missing the central part of the whole thing. So you need to walk around. I do not have the core strength for this. You need to walk around like this. I don't think this one's making it in the video. Okay, we're down to our last one because I'm sick of doing this. This one is very specific to my life, but I think it will be relatable and you could apply it to your own as well. For this next outfit, I will be my sister. Thanks for hanging around. I hope this was inspirational and gave you so many ideas and you just don't even know which one to pick because there's too many good ones. Obviously. Pray for me having to clean up my room. Let me show you. This is where I'm at. So, I have to clean this up now. Happy Halloween. Bye!